You're an expert in your field. You've built your business by delivering value, solving problems, and making a difference. You know that a strategically crafted best-selling book could be the key to scaling your impact, amplifying your voice, and creating an even deeper connection with your audience. But where do you even start? The journey begins with a shift in perspective. Writing a book isn't just about putting words on a paper. It's about crafting a powerful tool with a clear purpose. It's not enough to simply share your expertise or your personal story. You need to shape it into something that deeply resonates with your target audience and serves their needs. The most important piece of advice I can give you is to start with strategy first. Know what type of book you want to write. Get clear on your outcomes. Know who you want to help and the problem you want to solve. And identify your best path to publishing, all before you ever write a single word. Too many authors make the mistake of just diving into their writing without a clear plan for how their book is going to serve their overall business goals. But you're not going to be one of them. You now know that your book is not just a book. It's a strategic asset that should be designed to grow your authority, build your business and your brand, and provide a steady stream of content and opportunities for years to come. When you reverse engineer your book from your business plan, that's when it becomes a true content creation goldmine. You can pull excerpts, stories, and insights from your manuscript to fuel your social media, your email marketing, your speaking engagements, your courses, and your programs. Your book becomes a never-ending source of authentic, engaging content that helps you show up powerfully and cohesively across every platform. And that level of omnipresence and congruency is what really helps you forge deep connections with your audience. They get to know, like, and trust you as their guide because they feel like they're talking to a friend. Your book is an extension of your unique voice and personality. It's not just dry, generic information. It's your perspective, your expertise, and your journey all woven together in a way that captivates and transforms. That's the kind of book that becomes a true business-building asset. Not one that just sits on Amazon gathering dust, but one that opens doors, attracts your ideal clients, and puts you on the fast track to authority in your niche. So take the time up front to get crystal clear on your purpose, your desired outcomes, and your overall business strategy. That foundation will make every other decision, from choosing your publishing path to crafting your manuscript, so much easier and more impactful. Your book is too valuable of an asset to approach haphazardly. Ready to start crafting your book? I've put together a free resources library filled with actionable tools and strategies to help you write a book that resonates with your audience and positions you as the go-to expert in your niche. Simply scan the QR code to access your free resources. Do connect with me. I can't wait to read your book and celebrate your success.